Hi students, so the continuation of the fintech applications. So one such app is the Zerodha. So Zerodha has many platforms. So we will see about the Kite. Zerodha actually it is the India's largest stock brokerage platform, and we have many services in that to buy the stocks, mutual fund, etc. So here the platforms we are going to see in this video is the Kite, so which is used for trading and also for the long term investment you can use it. Uh, and One of the snapshot you could see that it is about the Yes Bank and whether to buy or sell. So this is a snap taken from that Kite app. So how to do it, how to install and how to use the app. So first install the Kite app, so you can install it from here, and then you can log in by means of using the user ID and password. You also have your two-factor authentication where again with the password you have to go for OTP, one time password authentication. So that makes the app secure. So after logging in, you will be able to see the home dashboard, the market view. You can see five watch list. You can add the companies which you like to watch it in the watch list. You can see their stocks values. You can see it in the form of charts also, where here some chart is displayed. So you can see it in the form of chart. So live market prices can be seen and the index values. So the next step is how to place a trade, how to buy a stock. Make an order. So here you can select the stocks from the watch list, the company watch list you have added, right? So in that you can select one of the companies and you can buy the stocks. So you can click on the buy. So after selecting the company you can click on the buy option. So then after clicking the buy option, you will be directed to a screen where you can place the quantity and price. So actually it will show the market price. You can set the price at which you want to buy the stock, and you can click the trigger button so that it will buy the stock at that price. So there is actually the order can be made in the two types. So that is market or limit. So that is buying the stocks at the market rate is market, and limit is where you are going to put some value for the stock, and you are going to limit it even if you are going to make the placement, because when you are starting the placement and while doing it the market rate may vary. So it is better to create a limit option, so that even if you place the order you are limiting the amount to that point, the order has to be executed. If the market price exceeds this limit, then the order will not be executed. So mostly this kind of limitations can be set up for one day trading. So if it is going to be a long term investment, this doesn't matter much. So then you can submit the order. The next step is the order execution. So here you can see after clicking the placing the order, you can see whether it is open, completed or rejected. Because as I said, if you are going to limit the price very lesser, and if the market price goes beyond your limit value, then it will get rejected. Or else no problem exists, then it will show it as a completed one. So then you after that you will have a instant confirmation about your orders. So you can see the portfolio and holdings. So whichever stocks you are holding, you can see it in the portfolio and the holdings tab. So you can view the invested stocks, so in which company you have invested, how many stocks, everything will be displayed in that portfolio and holdings. And also you can see the profit and loss, which is shown in the form of real time. And your holdings and positions can be seen in that tab. Then about the funds and account management, so when you're going to make the buying, so you should have sufficient fund to make the buying, to make the order placement. So you have to add the funds in your login by means of using the UPI or net banking. You can also withdraw the funds that you added by means of using the withdraw, that will get detected from your account, and it will be passed on to your bank account. So you can also see the margins. And the report and analytics, you can see it in the trade reports and the tax reports and performance analytics of all the stocks that you have made, and you have bought or order placed or you have sold, that you can see it there. Then the security and the back end working of this is actually a two-factor authentication, where you have the one-time password OTP, and also the login ID and the password, which makes it more secure to work upon. And also here there is an encrypted transactions, that key, encryption key is actually generated for the transactions. And the regulations is actually coming under the regulator body of SEBI. The conclusion, so that is the Zerodha, actually that is that enables that platform, and the app enables the fast and the low cost, because it asks for only low amount to make the trading, to do the trading. So that's why it is actually a low cost, and it is very fast. And here it is a transparent stock trading, because you are able to see the real time stock fluctuations in the form of charts and the values. So all these screenshots and the explanation will give you the workflow of the Zerodha Kite platform. Thank you.